Emily, wake up! Emily! What do you want? It's beach day today. Beach day? Okay, I gotta get up. Emily, hurry up. Get your butt out. And, you're getting on my nerves. Literally stuff. Okay. I could just cancel it if you want me to. No, don't cancel it. If you do, I'm gonna hate you for life. Brush your teeth. Done. That was fake. Your teeth is crusty still. Now what are you doing? You got a ding on your phone. I did? It's nothing. You literally gave me nothing. You're trying to make me slow time. No, I'm not. I'm just pushing it for your own good. Now what are you doing? You slept in your clothes from yesterday? Yeah. I was too lazy. Oh, of course. You're always lazy. Now what are you teaching? That's not even how you spell beach. They're not going to have what you're looking for. Why don't they have a swimsuit? Why don't they have your brain? How about that? Why don't they have your brain? Your brain is teeny, tiny. Okay, now we agree. They're going to have nothing. Nothing. How? I can't even say this. So, now, stop getting in my head. Emily, I don't care.
Where's my baby eating?
So Emily, stop. Okay? Stop it. Emily, you're naked right now. Put a shirt on right now. Everybody's gonna see you naked. You want me to get canceled? Yeah, I would love that you stop bossing me around. I found one. Okay, that's great. Oh my god, you get on my nerves sometimes. Your IQ is low negative, bro. It's low negativity. Okay. Now get out of that. Wow, what are you doing now? What are you doing? Ugh. So, what are you doing now? Just gonna change my email. Okay, glad you didn't change. Okay, so get out of that. Okay, lock your door. Okay, good, lock it. Emily, how slow are you? Emily, do you know how slow you are? Emily, you are slow. Whoa. I'm not slow. You're a big bat. That's what you are. You are a big bat. You're blocking everyone again. Seriously? Yeah, nope. I don't want anybody to get in my house again. Yep. You have a lot of people. More people's joining. I didn't know this could be so difficult. Look. Huh? Yeah? Okay, Emily, hurry up. Because I'm not going to tell your little big back self to hurry up. Or we're not going anywhere. Wow, you're a meanie. I'm a meanie. You're a big bat. You eat twice of Dr. Pepper, 23 every day, bro. And look, they're even saying you're doing this too quickly. And look, they said it again. You're doing this literally too quickly. Yep. Okay. Hurry up. Oh. Hurry up. Are you serious right now? You're gonna drive on the sidewalk? Yeah. Okay, you're just an idiot right now. You're being a total idiot. Okay, yeah, drive that car, girl. Emily, like, I'll say, but you have to drive. Drive, girl. Why are you driving? Emily, are you dumb? No, I'm not. I thought we were allowed to drive into it. We spoke about this yesterday. Emily, you don't even drive good. Yes, I can. No, you can't. Yes, I can. No, you can't. What are you doing? And now you're stuck. What are you doing? Why are you laying on the ground? Why did you just respawn yourself? Did you die? Finally, you're back. Now go over there. So go. Just how much do I gotta tell you just to finish it? Emily, if you don't get your butt over there, I swear to God. Don't press that. Okay. Just get it. Whoa. Help me. Whoa, why is it so slippery? Oh, jump. Whoa. Got it. We're walking so slow. Screen friction? No. So just hurry. I'm here. Wait. Oh my God. Emily, just stop. Just finish this whole course. I'll give you $1,000 if you finish the whole course. Really? $1,000. Okay. Emily, just stop. Okay, I'm trying. I need that $1,000. I'm broke. Oh my God, you have a strange ego. I can eat myself, yes. Okay. So, Emily, what? Hurry. Jump. I got it right. Stop doing it. Oh my God, you're acting like a baby right now. Now you're just gonna skip the course. That's minus $1,000, so you're not getting that much $1,000. You're getting $100. At least that's still good. It's actually not, okay? I think you're lying. I'm actually not, so play. I think this video isn't gonna turn out good, but okay. So, Emily, what? Finish this whole course in 10 seconds. What? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, Emily. What's your ego at? Emily, if you don't move your tiny feet out of here. Okay, fine. Like, it's not mine. Like you gotta do. Emily, it's your whole thing. And you're not getting $1,000. I'm just telling you, you're not getting the $1,000. Quit. Give me the $1,000. I need it. Speed, I need this, please. I need it, please. We're going home. No. Oh my God. This was the worst day ever. Okay, and I don't care. So go upstairs, get your butt in that door. Are you that dumb? Just open the door. Okay, jeez. Slow your horses. Okay, bedtime. What? Your dad said. Oh my God. My dad's so annoying. You're the rich kid, so he hired me forever. Okay? So you gotta get upstairs. Apata, let me just dance. Apata, 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 apata. That's not even the right song lyric. That's not even the right song lyrics. Yes it is. It's not. Yes it is. No, it's not. It's actually very, very not, but oh.
Warning, Sixth may cause addiction.
Okay. So, okay, Slay. Oh, you gotta get that money. Hey, walking through the party like it's all we say tonight. Walking through the party like we see it all tonight. Walking to the party. Oh, girl. Okay. Hey. Just stop and just get up there. You're gonna be dancing for a very, very long time. I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna call your dad right now. I will call your dad up here. I will literally call your dad. Okay, just cook you're not allowed to cook your food. You gotta go upstairs. Okay. Okay. So, go to bed. Finally, you would go to bed. That's it for today, guys. And I hope you guys had an amazing day. And love you. Bye. Bye, guys. Love ya.